Why you should make the switch from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify Point of Sale. If you own a retail store, then you know how important it is to have a dependable point of sale system. A POS system allows you to process transactions quickly and efficiently. It can also track inventory, customers, and sales data. QuickBooks POS is one of the most popular point of sale systems on the market. However, many store owners are making the switch to Shopify POS. In this video, we'll discuss some of the reasons why you should consider making the switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. Shopify is more user-friendly than QuickBooks Point of Sale. One of the biggest complaints about QuickBooks Point of Sale is that it runs into errors, freezes up, hangs, and has become antiquated. The software is complicated and difficult to learn. This can lead to frustrating delays when you're trying to check out customers. Shopify POS, on the other hand, is much more user-friendly. The interface is easy to understand and use, and the software is leading the market in cutting-edge features. This means that you can get through transactions quickly and without any headaches. Click the link below for a free consultation. Get all your questions answered about Shopify POS. Shopify offers more e-commerce features than QuickBooks Point of Sale. If you're looking for a POS system that offers more than just basic point-of-sale functionality, then Shopify is the way to go. In addition to being able to process transactions and track inventory, Shopify also offers powerful e-commerce features. This includes features like automatic shipping calculations, abandoned cart recovery, and product reviews. These features are not available with QuickBooks POS. Shopify has better customer support than QuickBooks Point of Sale. When you're running a business, you can't afford to have your POS system go down for even an hour. That's why it's important to have a point-of-sale system with excellent customer support. If something does go wrong or you have a question about how to use a certain feature, you want to be able to get help quickly. Unfortunately, QuickBooks customer support is not very good. The wait times are long, and the representatives are often unhelpful. Shopify's customer support, on the other hand, is excellent. The representatives are knowledgeable, and they're usually able to resolve issues quickly. There are many reasons why you should consider making the switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify is more user-friendly than QuickBooks, and it offers more e-commerce features. Additionally, Shopify has better customer support than QuickBooks Point of Sale. You might be wondering if there are any downsides to making the switch from QuickBooks to Shopify Point of Sale. While there are some minor adjustments you'll need to make when using Shopify as your cash register, overall it's a much better point-of-sale system than QuickBooks POS. We hope this video has convinced you to make the switch. Moving from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS, get expert advice before you spend money on migration tools. Click the link below to speak with an expert and get your questions answered.